Hello everyone, this is AI Digital with a brand new topic, Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. With a beautiful, sleek and slim design. With awesome videos, auto framing and cinematic modes. With an amazing outdoor visibility. With 50 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera, 5 megapixel macro camera and 32 megapixel selfie camera. Shoot moments with ease. With 8 GB RAM, 256 GB storage, 5000 mAh battery. A beautiful design on a seamless frame. Galaxy A54 5G comes with a premium front and back glass finish for a sleek glossy look. Capture your golden moments with a multi-lens camera. With width and wider OIS angle, Galaxy A54 5G helps to film high-quality videos through automatic reframing and autofocus. Bright outdoor visibility with 6.4-inch high-definition Infinity O display. Makes for a vibrant view in even the sunniest weather. With powerful octa-core processor, opens up a new range of possibilities with heightened performance and capacity. And micro SD card supported up to 1 TB. Samsung Galaxy A54 5G has an IP67 water and dust resistance rating. Built for the rough and tough weather. With Dolby Atmos stereo speakers on Galaxy A54 5G envelop you with a rich audio experience. With One UI, give your Galaxy a look that's more you and organize your phone's layout as your own way. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe.